Plastic waste, it's one of the biggest environmental challenges of our time. But behind the scary numbers, there's hope and real change. Today, we're counting down 10 surprising facts about plastic waste and how HAPLAST is helping reduce it, one eco-bag at a time. Number 10. Over 400 million tons of plastic are produced every year. Every single year, the world produces over 400 million tons of plastic. That's more than the weight of all humans combined. At HAPLAST, we're replacing part of that weight with compostable, biodegradable, and recycled alternatives. Number 9. Half of all plastic ever made was produced in the last 20 years. In just 2 decades, plastic use has exploded, but so has innovation. That's why HAPLAST invests in modern technology to make sustainable packaging scalable for the future. Number 8. Only about 9% of all plastic ever made has been recycled. Less than 10% of plastic gets a second life. Our mission? To design packaging that doesn't end up in landfills, but instead returns to nature through composting or recycling. Number 7. 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute. That's nearly 1.5 billion bottles a day. Our approach, reusable and recycled material bags that reduce dependence on single-use plastics. Number 6. Plastic can take up to 1,000 years to decompose. While plastic stays for centuries, compostable bags by HAPLAST break down naturally, leaving no harmful residue behind. Number 5. Marine animals mistake plastic for food. Millions of marine animals die every year because of plastic waste. That's why switching to eco-packaging isn't just good for business, it's critical for our oceans. Number 4. Asia produces more than 50% of the world's plastic waste. As a leading Vietnamese manufacturer, HAPLAST takes this seriously, pioneering green production right where it matters most. Number 3. 40% of plastic waste comes from packaging. Packaging is both the problem and the solution. HAPLAST helps global brands redesign packaging that's strong, safe, and sustainable. Number 2. Plastic waste costs the world nearly $13 billion a year in environmental damage. From cleanup costs to lost tourism, plastic pollution is expensive. Eco-packaging isn't just about the planet, it's also smart economics. Number 1. Change starts small but spreads fast. One business choosing better packaging today can inspire hundreds tomorrow. That's the power of sustainability in the heart of HAPLAST's mission. We have reached the end of this episode. Together we can change the story of plastic, one bag, one choice, one future at a time. HAPLAST, packaging for a greener planet.